Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and you can access details about me on hiteshchaudhary.com. Can visit Learn from Hitesh section, and also you can visit the contact section and can leave your very valuable feedback. Your feedback actually keeps motivating me to create these courses and can upgrade my quality as well. So just waiting for your mails, and I would personally recommend reply to each and every email that is being delivered by you to me. So let us keep going to our virtual machine and try to understand what we have for you in this video. So in this video, you can simply say that we have got a simple file for you as well that says lesson9.zip file, and this is just waiting for you to unzip it. So first of all, let us try to move this file. That would be, first of all, I have to travel into my root directory where this file is being kept, and then I can simply move it to lesson9.zip to some very familiar directory, that is /war/www/master, and I want to travel there as well. So let me type /war www and master. And if I do a quick ls here, you'll find that your lesson9.zip file is out here. So first of all, as always, we will unzip the file. And again, if you need that file, you can simply drop me an email, or wherever the third-party platform wherever you have purchased my course, you can simply access the supporting course material. You will definitely find this file out there. But if somehow the file is missing, you can simply drop me an email at my email ID, that is hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com. So let us unzip the file content of lesson9.zip. Here it is. Now here I want to do some things extra. Like if I do a ls, the lesson9 zip file is here, but if I do a ll, that is long list, you'll find that lesson9 is actually being permitted. For the root, it is rwx, that is read, write and execute. For others, for group, this is read and execute. For others, it is read and execute as well. So no full permission is assigned to write or anything like that. But since this is an exercise for dumping out the file, that means we have to assign some explicit permission to this directory. And in real world, if you're trying to do all the same things, this is really a bad practice and invitation for all the hackers to apply this kind of SQL injection and lots of attacks. So don't do that in the real world. But since this is a practice lab exercise, you can do whatever you need to do with this. Of course, I am not actually worried about the illegal. I am worried about the illegal aspects. Just stick to the lab, whatever I am doing. So no need to be, just take granted my words for it. Okay, so how to change the permission? You can use the command chmod, that is change mod, and I will assign 777, a very ridiculous permission if you are assigning into the real life world, and I want to assign it to lesson number 9. Again, if I do a ll, you will find that the permission is being changed to read, write and execute. That's a very simple command that you can execute to change the permission if you are not familiar to the Linux world. So what you can do now, you can check out first of all is all the things are running, like service Apache 2 start, or let me check just the status in case I have started it already, so we can save a couple of moments for us. Yes, it is already running, so no need to type MySQL commands. Whenever I run both of them at the same time. Firefox, let me start that. Now what you can do, you can simply type out localhost, and I want to go into the lesson number 9. Now this is the lesson 9 waiting for you to hack into, and simply in order to get into this file, what you can do, you can simply put a question mark, id equals to 1. Once you do that, you will find you are in use out file command from the last video. I hope you are quite familiar from the last video. In that we have discussed everything in the details, how to inject and everything onto the MySQL command prompt and learn every command. Now first of all, we will learn how to inject in this page, and of course there will be some work for you as well in this video. So if I do a single quote, you have an SQL syntax error. If I do a double quote, then it's not an error. If I do a backslash, then also if an error. So although it is not depicting, I can find that single quote is having an error. That means I have to fix it also. Hyphen hyphen plus may fix it. It doesn't fix it. That means it's not working actually. So what I need to do, let's put a bracket also. Again, it's not fixing. So I could have also assigned you this as an assignment, you can say, to break this query and join this query, but I'll be showing you that as well. I have something else for you in the assignment. This fix it. So this also happens. So keep watching all these videos. You are definitely going to learn a lot of things. So what you can do again, now how to find out what are the number of columns and all these things. If you do a order by one here, okay, it gives the same page. Order by, let's say, a very big digit, you have an SQL syntax error. That means I can simply put order by 2. Okay, it is. What happens if I put an order by 4? You have an SQL error. What happens if I put an order by 3? So I hope you have guessed right what do I have to write in place of union all select. I hope you are quite aware about this kind of injection right now. Union all select, and I have to put 1, 2 and 3. Yes, of course I could have put a 4 here, just the digit. And again, if you want an output, you can simply check whether you are getting a direct output or by this output. But no need to worry about in this case, since the error is not actually depicting out just in place of here. So what you can do, you have to dump all the output out there into some file. Now after that, how to proceed? How you can simply write your query which you out there in this place. This is the place where you can write whatever you require, and you can also write at the end into dump file. And again, make sure whenever you give the path of that file, you don't give any path. You have to give a very specific path, because you have assigned all the permission for one particular directory, and that is /var/www/master and /lesson. Make sure it's case sensitive, less-9. And in that you name out any file, like you can simply put hitesh.txt. And I hope you remember all the things from the last video, that you cannot append any file. You can also every time you need a new thing, you'd have to a new file, and all these things like that we have discussed in the last video. So I expect that with you, and I leave everything else as an exercise for you. So that's a pretty easy one, and please drop me a feedback at hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com. Keep enjoying the security stuff, and thank you so much for watching.